Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious pumpkin spice hot chocolate you will ever have. Oh my gosh, so I don't know how I haven't done this before on my channel, but I figured now was the perfect time. This is a milk chocolate hot chocolate and we are adding fresh pumpkin and pumpkin spice mix to it to create the most smooth and gently sweet hot chocolate you've ever had. The wonderful thing about this is that you can control the sweetness by adding like more chocolate or less chocolate if you like. So it's just, oh my gosh, this is so good. If you're having a party or like if you go apple picking, or are we past the apple picking part? I'm not sure. Here, I don't know. Or pumpkin picking and you, I don't know. Do you pick pumpkins? You buy pumpkins, whatever. If you're going out and you want to come back and you're cold, treacle, this is really good. Treacle, stop it! She matches my sweater. Can you even see her? But yeah, let's get started and make the hot chocolate, which you cannot have because puppies cannot have chocolate. No. Alright, so first things first, you want to place some milk, a little bit of cream, some milk chocolate, pumpkin pie spice, and canned pumpkin into a small pot and bring it to a simmer. And if you don't have some pumpkin pie spice on hand, I actually made a recipe for it in case where you are they don't sell like the premix version. I have a recipe for it in the cards, so definitely go check it out if you need to. And you want to heat until the chocolate has melted and everything is well combined. Then just pour it into mugs, top with some whipped cream, a dusting of cinnamon, and some little leaf sprinkles if you like, and you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. Treacle is the noisiest little dog, so if I don't hold her, she will bark. She will bark at everything. Yes, you noisy puppy. But yeah, if you missed today's other video, she does not want to be held like this. I made a jet black cake using truffle powder. So if you guys want to check it out, this is like the noisiest video. Link is also in the cards right here. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Tomorrow we are making a zombie unicorn cake. I think it's so cool. It turned out so cool. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!